Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a BMW X6 2016. And we are demonstrating our new ID7 menu. So that's how our ID7 menu looks like. So we do have dashboard, we do have car info, which it goes back to factory iDrive. We do have video here, music, and that's the Bluetooth, and that's the aftermarket navigation. And by tapping to the right side, we can go to the other features like navigation and apps. And by going to AutoKit, connected to my iPhone, that's the Apple CarPlay. And we can use the touch screen. That's the Google Maps. And also, if you have any songs to play from Spotify, you can do it without any problem. And by touching the BMW, it goes back to the main menu. The car came with factory backup camera, so it retains the backup camera. Nothing is changed. By going to park, it goes back to the main menu. And by tabbing to the right, we go back to the menu. That's the dash. By clicking on car info, it goes back to factory iDrive in the car. By holding the menu button for long, we go back to the aftermarket mode. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca.